Hello everyone, this is your teacher April. Today we'll be focusing on 3 important grammar points. Using them well will be a sure sign of the progress you have made in your Chinese study. The first one is 一直. We had it before in a handy phrase 一直走, such as in this sentence. Today it's worth to bring it up again because it also means continuously, always. Take a look at this sentence. It's a long sentence. First of all, we recognize 的时候 and the slight pause it provides us. It also naturally divides the sentence in half. The first half of the sentence means. In the second half of the sentence, the last 5 characters make up one combination, telling us the duration of a time. The rest of the sentence become easier when we understand the meaning of 一直 as continuously. The second point is how to use 的 as a particle to link additional information. This structure is super useful when you want to give extra information to further describe a situation. For example, we have the following statement. In this statement, we do not know whether she speaks Chinese well or poorly. Suppose she speaks well, and we want to add that bit of extra information to the original sentence. We could first repeat the verb, which is followed by 的, and we end the sentence with a description for good. If she speaks poorly, what we need to do is to change the last bit of additional information to 不好. The third structure. This structure is an emphasis structure. The element being emphasized is placed right after 是. Normally, it's used to emphasize place, time, people, and ways of doing things. Take a look at this example. 什么时候 is the word being emphasized. It's the most important information in the sentence. Normally, the answer follows the same structure. Let's take a look at all the grammar points we learned today. Practice using these structures. Make a few sentences of your own. That concludes our lesson for the day. We'll be working on the exercises at our next lesson. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher April. See you soon.